How you guys doing today? Mark Franks here. Guys, today I want to review Samsung's Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. All right, so these are some really good earbuds. I was actually really impressed. Now, when I first got this, I was like, you know what? These look like just, regular earbuds. The sound was, it's pretty good. It's just like the Apple earbuds. It's kind of similar to that. But when I started using all the features, this is packed with a lot of features. This is a very feature-rich earbud here. And when I got familiar with all the features, then I'm like, okay, I see why this is well worth it. So I bought this for about $209 on Amazon. And you know what? I'm satisfied with my purchase. Guys, I have a lot to cover here. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and review the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's do it. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the aesthetics. So this thing looks very futuristic. These buds are futuristic buds. When you open it here, the LED lights is gonna come on here. You can also have the LED lights, you can turn them just solid so they're just staying on. But overall, I mean, it looks great. The case looks great. Silver, has a plastic filling on. And the earbuds, it doesn't really look like, these Pro, they don't look like how Samsung usually have them, like a circle earphone. This kind of resembles the Apple Pro 2 second generation, but it's pretty good. So I do like the silver, kind of shiny silver earbuds here. It just looks really good, futuristic, something out of the 2050s or 2060s, something that like Tony Stark would wear in Avengers. So here's the cool thing about the LED strip lights here. All you gotta do is press it one time. I looked in the forums, a lot of people had issues keeping these little lights on here, the little LED strip lights. So you take out the case, take both out of the case at the same time and pinch and hold, and it should turn them on. Hold on, let me make sure I do it right. Pinch, hold, and it should turn them both on, and they're both on, they're on solid. So I think that's pretty cool. You put them in your ears at nighttime or something like that, and it's actually pretty cool. I'm pretty sure you'll get people come up to you and say, hey, those are cool earbuds, and where'd you get them from? All right, so it's actually pretty good there. Let me go ahead and turn them off. These lights also come on when you're trying to find them. There's a little find my feature. So they'll try to come on, they'll come on then. Oh, there we go. And when you're pairing to different Samsung devices, the lights will also come on. But they won't stay on, but they'll blink. You can change them. In the app, you can change the feature whether they blink or whether they're solid when they connect to an app or you're using the Find My feature. But just to have them solid, you'll pinch one time and then hold, and then you can have them solid and you can walk around with them. But so, other than that, it looks really good. The case looks very premium. These look really premium. They don't look cheap at all. So, I mean, you're not gonna get that cheap feeling from these. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. Let's talk about what this engine is. So it's rocking it's a two-way speaker, has a dual amplifier, has 3 microphones. You have a VPU, it's going to be voice pickup unit. Basically, it's just going to increase the quality when you're talking on the phone. It has a 360 audio. So the 360 audio, you're watching a movie with this 360 you're going to hear sounds from just all different directions. That's actually pretty cool. I think it's like the Apple spatial audio, but it's pretty cool. You got the super wide band call. So when you're calling, it just increases the quality of your call, and it just kind of tones down the background noise. So it packs a huge punch. Now, I don't have a Samsung phone, but I have a Samsung tablet, so I was able to use the app. And with the app, you can do all kind of things, with the Equalizer, you can change a whole bunch of settings. But if you have just an iPhone, you won't be able to change the settings, change the Equalizer. You probably have to use a third-party app. But other than that, there is a lot of settings that you can change here. And I'll show you guys briefly what the app can do. There was some settings that I was looking forward to, but because I don't have the phone, like the live translation, so if someone's talking and you have your earbuds on, someone's talking, like I said, they're talking in Spanish, and they'll translate it in English for you in here. But I didn't have the Samsung. That's going to be for the regular phones. It's S22, and I'll put that down in the description below, the compatibility there. But I have the tablet, so I wasn't able to use that live translation feature, but that's pretty cool. And again, with the app, you can do a lot of different things. So if you have a Samsung phone, I would definitely recommend that you get these earbuds here. All right. Now the sound. So the sound is great. Sound is really good on here, guys, especially when you're changing the equalizer. You know, I like the more bass feature here. Instead, they got bass, they have smooth, and they have clear. But I like more of the bass feature, and the sound is really good. And you have the active noise cancellation is really good, guys. With the active noise cancellation and with the adaptive equalizer, when you put the earbuds in your ear, it's like AI in a sense. It kind of sees where those earbuds are in your ear, how they're positioned, and it'll give you the best sound based on how the earbuds are positioned in your ear. So that's pretty cool. That's some crazy advanced features. So based on how you have those earbuds in your ear, you're gonna get the best sound. So that's pretty good. So good job there, Samsung. It also has the transparency mode or ambient sound mode, and I use that a lot. So I'm not always in active noise cancellation. I don't like active noise cancellation when I'm just using it all the time. It kind of hurts my ears sometimes. So there's a transparency mode here, and it's pretty smart because what it'll do is if there's like, you can hear people talking. Let's say you listen to music and you have it in active ANC mode, but if someone's talking right next to you, it'll kind of lower the volume. It knows when someone's talking. Or you have it in that transparency mode and the ambient sound mode. You can have it in that mode, and you can listen to your surroundings around you. But if there's a loud noise, it'll go into like an active noise cancellation mode for a second, and then it'll come out of it. So it's kind of like that, and it was actually pretty cool. And I think if it's like some type of construction work or anything like that, it'll go ahead and kind of silence that. But if it is an alarm or something, it'll go ahead and open it so you can hear the alarms and all that. So you know what's going on. So I do like the transparency mode here. It's actually a very cool feature. And it's just like primarily just like transparent modes and just different ANC headphones, much smaller. It's actually pretty good. All right, so let's talk about the battery life. All right, so with active noise cancellation on, you get about 6 hours. So when you're listening with active noise cancellation on, you get 6 hours. And that's just with the earbuds, 6 hours. Now with the case, you'll get about 26 hours. And this is with active noise cancellation on. So 6 hours with just the earbuds, and with the case, you'll get about 26 hours. Now with ANC off, with just the earbuds, you get 7 hours. So there's not much difference with the earbuds with ANC on and ANC off, but you get 7 hours of battery capacity. But with ANC off, with the case, you get 30 hours. So that's a big difference there. You get 4 more hours with ANC off. And you know, I don't really listen to ANC unless I'm in a noisy area. These earbuds do pretty good just when ANC's off. But if you're in a noisy area, and you have a conference call or anything, ANC works wonderful. All right, so you just can't beat that. But these are some really good headphones. They're IP57 rating, so it's kind of water resistant. So if you take this, or you leave this in your jeans pocket and it gets washed, that's a really good chance that these things will survive. It's a really good chance. Now I know my Apple AirPods, they've been through the ringer, they've been through the washer, and they still work. So, and these things, I haven't tested these things yet. I don't plan on testing this, but if it falls in the water or something like that, I think it'll be okay. Now again, it's IP57 rating, which is dust resistant rating and also water resistance. It's more or less for like an emergency. Like if it falls in water, it can probably fall in the water for a few seconds, 10, 15, maybe up to 30 seconds, and you can get it out and it'll still work. You can probably, if it's in your pants, it'll probably go through the wash machine and it probably will still work. Maybe, maybe not. You know, again, we gotta understand this, these are electronics, but IP57 is actually a really good rating. All right, so let me go give you guys a quick lesson in the earbuds functionality. All right, so when you have these on and you're receiving a call, all you gotta do is pinch it one time. So you just pinch it one time and it'll answer the call. If you want to end the call, you just pinch it one time as well and it'll end the call. Now, if you're playing media, All right, so to play meter, you press play, you just pinch it one time, you just pinch it and it'll play the song. If you want to go to the next track, you'll go ahead and pinch it twice and it'll go to the next track. Now, if you want to go to the previous track, previous song, you'll pinch it 3 times. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, and it'll go to the previous track. Now to pause it, you'll just pinch it 1 time, same as playing it. Now, so those are actually pretty basic. Now the volume up and volume down is just here. What you do is you just slip your finger up like this and the volume will go up, and you slide your finger down and the volume will go down. So that's the simple control methods for controlling your Samsung Galaxy Earbuds 3. All right, so if you forget them, just come back to this video and as many times as you need to get it down. All right, so real quick, this is going to be the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro app here. Now I have it on my tablet. Now on the phone, you may get more features, but this is what I have on my tablet. We have the off. This is just going to be the earbuds. Is going to be off. We have ambient sound. The ambient sound, also known as transparency mode. Then we have adaptive noise. It'll just kind of cut out. It'll cut out if it hears loud noises or it'll put you in noise cancellation. It's kind of like an automatic noise cancellation mode. All right, and then we have the active noise cancellation. All right, and we'll click on that. It'll just put you right into noise cancellation. All right, so again, the adaptive is it's going to adapt to your surroundings, what you got going on. If it hears sirens, it'll come out of noise canceling mode. But if it hears a loud noise, it'll go into noise canceling mode. It's just kind of on and off. It's automatic. You have ambient sound, which is going to be this transparency mode. All right, and of course, with all these, the ambient sound, you can scroll up or down how much transparency or your background noise you want to hear. All right, if we go down, we have the sound quality effects. All right, here you have this 3.6 audio. You can turn it on or off, and then you have the equalizer next. And right now I have it set to custom. You can choose balance, smooth, clear, bass boot, dynamic, treble, or again, you can do your custom and just change it here. It's actually, that's pretty cool. And I'm sure you can do everything plus more if you have the phone, but I don't have the phone present. I just have my tablet here. So it's going to go back. We have adjust sound to fit. All right, just going to adjust how the earbuds fit into your earlobe. All right, so that's pretty cool. And then you have the earbud fit test, and it'll let you know, which either the left or the right, or which one are they both in your ear. And right now you see the left one's in my ear and the right one's in my ear. All right, it was just an earbud fit check. It says check your earbud fit to make sure you're getting the best sound and active noise cancellation. And then you do a start, and you start the test, and it'll let you know if you're getting that best sound based on how the earbuds are positioned in your ear. Now let's look at earbud control. Now the earbud here, just the earbud controls here. We have media controls, left, right. You can customize this. You have your answer your call or end call, or you can decline call. This is kind of in a customized setting. I'm sorry, this is kind of in a stationary setting already. Then you have the earbuds light control. So we hit the earbud lights control. Right now I have it on steady. So when you turn these lights on, or when you're in the Find My feature, the lights come on, it'll stay on steady. But you can change it to blinking, or it'll fade in or fade out. So if you want to, you can manually turn them on and they'll stay on. If you do that configuration, it'll either stay on. Right now it's set for steady, but if you want to change it, you can change it to blinking or fade in and out. That's actually pretty cool. All right, let's go back here. All right, so we have the earbud settings, and this is just going to be your voice control, in-ear detection. You can have notifications read to you. You have your seamless earbud connection, neck stretch reminder. It's kind of different here. It'll let you know to stretch your neck every 10 minutes. All right, next we have labs. That's going to be gaming mode. So we click on that. You can go ahead and turn on gaming mode. That's going to basically minimize the delay in the how the game is played and what you hear. So you got to make sure that you're close to it. So it says it right here, minimize audio delay for vivid synchronized gaming sound. So it's going to minimize that audio delay. So what you see on the screen is exactly what you're going to hear. All right, so that's pretty cool. All right, so we have the reset, we have the accessibility, and we have the earbud software. All right, so earbud software, we have diagnostics, and we have about the earbuds. All right, and then lastly, we have the tips and user guides. And this is just how to this interaction or graphics here. All right, and that's the app. There's going to be more on the app. It's going to be the translation. It's going to be a little bit more when you have the phone, but this is what you have so far. I just want to give you guys a quick snapshot of the app. All right, guys, so here's a quick sound test of the Galaxy Buds Pro 3. All right, so I have low background, minimum noise. It's pretty quiet in here, but I'm expecting these earbuds to be high quality. With the VPU, the voice pickup unit, and the super wideband call, I'm expecting these earbuds to sound pretty good. You guys let me know what you think. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, and 3. All right, guys, I want to do a quick sound test from outside. So I have my dogs barking. I hear it playing up a buzz. I got wind in my ears. These earbuds are supposed to be great at canceling out noise. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you hear. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so would I recommend the Samsung Galaxy Earbuds 3 Pro? Would I recommend these? I definitely would. I mean, the sound quality here is great. You know, with the equalizer, you got the adaptive equalizer, you have the ambient sound, you have these two-way speakers, amplifier. The sound quality is great. You won't lack there, guys. With the 3.6 audio, it's just very immersive. It's just a brilliant sound. And then the technology inside here is just jammed packed with features. Especially if you have a Samsung phone, you can just utilize all the features and it just makes it that much better. It's well worth the price. Now, the only thing that I say I really didn't like about it was I have an iPhone. So when I connect to different devices and I try to connect back with these earbuds, it doesn't do it all the time. I'll have to reconnect my Bluetooth. It kind of takes more than one step, or it's just not seamless. All right, so that's my only downside here. So if I'm connecting my phone if I connect it to my car, the Bluetooth in my car, and I want to connect it back to these headphones, sometimes I have to reconnect. So, but that's the only downside. But yes, I would definitely recommend these. It came with a USB-C cord, and I'll put down in the description below, how fast it takes to charge this thing. I'll put that down in the description below. It also came with some earbud tips. So if you have a larger ear or a small ear, you can use the earbud tips here. But again, great device, great product, well worth the price. You will not be disappointed. I recommend that you utilize all the features here, but these are just some really good futuristic device. Samsung, you guys did a great job. If you guys have any questions, please leave all your questions down below and I'll get to them in a timely manner. I'll catch you guys in the next video, but until then, y'all have a great day out there.